G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today we are making a blue mojito.
I'm blue, dabba-dee-dabba-die. If I was green, I would die. Dabba-dee-dabba-die, dabba-dee-dabba-die.
This recipe calls for white rum, blue curacao, simple syrup, fresh lime and fresh mint. You'll also need some soda. Into a glass, add a few leaves of mint, rip them up, drop in a little bit of soda and muddle the mint around. Then add 50 ml of white rum, 15 ml of blue curacao, 20 ml of fresh lime, stir, add ice and top up with soda water. Garnish with a wheel of lime and a mint sprig. And you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.